Welcome to the Underdog Sea Cadet Unit YouTube channel. Wow, this is an absolute first for us. We've never been kayaking in a swimming pool. We've done some open canoeing at the Royal Docks, the Sea Cadet base of the Royal Docks, but we got the kayaks. We took them from the Docklands Sailing Watersports Centre. We put them in Tiller Leisure Centre after school on a Friday, and we spent 2 hours in the swimming pool. Here's us being taught how to get in and out of the kayak safely without falling in. Here's B explaining how to capsize a kayak. B is our instructor, for she's from Pirates Castle in Camden, and went through how to get in and out of a kayak, how to capsize a kayak. So here's Maya here practicing a capsize drill. So you capsize here, bang 3 times on the bottom, push yourself out and come back out to the surface. Everybody did this and did well. Everybody did this also with a spray deck on, which is a deck that goes onto the boat around the front, so when you're kayaking you don't get wet. Here's us emptying the kayaks out in between sessions. So we all had to go rolling, banging 3 times on the bottom and coming out. Spray decks on, and then you roll, you bang 3 times, you pull the tag on the spray deck and you roll back out again. So lots of fun was had. The instructor, Beat, and Henry, her assistant, were amazing. We learned a hell of a lot. It was really quite tiring. We did lots of exercises. Apart from capsizing, we did paddling up and down. So we did get in and out of the canoe, paddle up and down, swap over with the next person, and paddle back up and down with paddles and without paddles. Are you ready? Oh gee, how was that? Did the water go up your nose? Pause the tab and out. Well done. Great demonstration. Well, thanks very much to everybody that made this happen. Thanks so much to Active Thames for the funding to pay for the swimming pool and all the ancillaries to get this to happen. This is the first time we've done this as a unit. We're booked again. We hope to do this 3 or 4 times a year to be able to roll kayaks, practice kayaks in the warmth of the swimming pool, and enjoy ourselves, not worried about capsizing in a dock and getting loads of water confidence, kayak confidence. It's just amazing, and hopefully we'll do a lot more canoeing and kayaking. Thanks very much to Beat from Pirates at Camden. We're going to do a safety course up in Camden, and hopefully this will bolster our kayaking within the unit. Again, Underdog Sea Cadets unit, thank you to everybody that's funded us in the past and in the future. We look forward to seeing you, and this is Paul, Underdog Sea Cadet unit, out.